Hello, here with Easy Fix. Another video today for you guys. Over here I've got some components of an outboard. It's a Cresent 5 HP. Crescents are originally made by Volvo Penta, but they don't make them anymore, and finding parts for them is very difficult. I did struggle to find parts for that outboard. I live in New Zealand, and I didn't find anything in New Zealand at all. So I had to order the parts from America, eBay, and I think that the new parts I've ordered are the only parts that are available on the net. I mean, from what I've seen and looked around. So what I have over here is a new coil, and a new condenser capacitor. I was having a no spark issue after checking this component. Check continuity from here to there. That was okay, but from here to there was nothing. I was in the sea when it happened. It just stopped getting any spark, and yeah, it was a crappy experience. I had to pedal back, so that was not nice. Now I've taken the head off, and I've removed the flywheel. I needed like a puller to take the flywheel off, because it's really tight in there, and getting it off is very difficult without a puller. So after taking it out, I got to the stator plate. I think that's what they call it, the stator plate. And as you can see over here, this is a condenser, the old one. I've tried to remove it, but it was too difficult, because I think it's pressed in. I've tried to use a plier, but it just wouldn't come out. So I've left it in there. I actually want to change it with a new one, but I mean, there is continuity on it. There's nothing wrong with it, but I've noticed that. I don't know if you can see this. Just a moment. I'm having a bit of a arcing, or like a hole. Maybe you cannot see it. There, at the bottom, the black right there. So from reading on the net, having like a bad surface on the points over here means a bad condenser. So I thought of changing it, but I have to find a way to press it out, take it out, put the new one in, and just connect those wires onto it. So the reason why I'm making this video, because I've looked all over the net, on YouTube. There was no videos at all for this motor. It's like no one uses motor at all. I mean, there's some people who are running the motor, just showing a video of running the motor, but people working on it, nah. So I thought of just making this video. I was hoping that this video may help some people out there. Now for the parts, this motor is made in Sweden. And the parts, well, Sweden, Volvo, Germany, Sweden, not sure, one of the two, but the parts are made in Sweden, and the old part, I think, is also made in Sweden, because there was something saying over here, made Oh, here we go. Zooming. Come on, phone. Okay, never mind. So it says over here, made in Sweden over here. Yeah, so the parts, as I was saying before, finding them was really difficult. Anyway, I've managed to put the parts on. I'll be putting those parts back on the motor, put everything back together and try it out, and I'll be putting another video and just to show you how it's running after installing the new components on the outboard. Thank you so much, and if you found that this video was helpful, please subscribe, put some comments, or if you need to know some more, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.